Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus series are tricky, but we will solve this limit comparison problem fast. Let's find if this specific series converges or diverges right now. First, look at the highest powers in the numerator and denominator. We have n squared over n cubed, which simplifies down to 1 over n. This is our comparison series. Next, apply the limit comparison test by dividing our original series by 1 over n. As n goes to infinity, the ratio of the leading coefficients equals 1, which is positive. Since the limit is a positive constant, both series behave similarly. The harmonic series diverges, so our original series also diverges. Option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing when checking signs. Trust the given terms and check your steps carefully.